everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to crochet this bobble drop granny square. Now for this tutorial I'm using crochet hook 3mm. You can use any crochet yarn, but for this tutorial I'm using crochet 4-ply cotton yarn. So let's get started. We begin with the magic circle. Now for those of you who do not know how to work a magic circle, I have a video on that as well. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box below. Now once you have your magic circle, you chain 3. This will be counted as the first double crochet of this row. Now in the magic circle, you need to work 11 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and continue till you have 11 double crochets in the magic circle. Once you complete working 11 double crochets, you need to pull the loose end to close the circle. Now counting the first chain 3, you need to have a total of 12 stitches. Now you need to work a slip stitch in the first chain 3 to join this row. Now for the next row, you chain 1, and now we are going to work in this stitch, the loop. The first stitch where you have your chain 1, right under that you have the stitch. We're going to work like this for the stitch. So we're going to pull up loops for that. You yarn over once, insert your hook through the stitch, yarn over, pull through. That's the first loop. Again, yarn over in the same manner. From behind the stitch, you pick up the second loop. That's 2. Again, that's 3, and this is 4. Now you need to yarn over and pull through all the loops. And now chain 1. Now in the next stitch right here, you need to work 3 double crochets. That's 1, 2, and 3. Now in the next stitch, we are again going to be working like this through the stitch in the post below. So we're going to pull up 4 loops, yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch and pull through the first loop. This is the second loop, 3, and 4. And now you need to yarn over and pull through all your loops and chain 1. Now after you complete working the loops in the stitch, you chain 3. And now we're going to repeat this pattern in these stitches. So we start by pulling up the loops on this stitch right here. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chain 1. Now in the next stitch, you need to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, we are going to be pulling up loops again. So we are going in like this on the post of the stitch. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and chain 1. And now you need to chain 3 and you need to repeat this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch right on top of the first loops stitch that we made, right on top here. You work a slip stitch and now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We're going to change the color for the next row. Now we're going to join the next color right here where we completed the previous row, right in this stitch. You join your color and you chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This will be counted as the first double crochet of this row. Now in the next stitch you need to work 1 double crochet. Now you have 3 double crochets here. We're going to skip the between one. So you chain 1, skip the between stitch. In the next stitch you work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch 1 double crochet. Now you have your chain 3 space right here. Right into that you work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same chain space, 1 and 2. In the next stitch you work 1 double crochet. In the next stitch 1 double crochet. Now you chain 1. We're going to skip the center stitch here, the center double crochet. Again in the next stitch 1 double crochet and in the next stitch 1 double crochet. Now we reach the chain space. Right into that you work 2 double crochets, chain 3 and 2 double crochets in the same chain space. And now you need to continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first chain 3 that you started this row with in the third chain right here. And now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. We're going to change the color for the next row. Now for the next row, again we're going to be joining the yarn right where we completed our previous row in the same stitch right here. Now you join your yarn, chain 1 and in the same stitch you need to work a single crochet. Now you work 1 single crochet in the next stitch and now you have your chain 1 space right here. Right below you have the stitch that we skipped. We skipped 1 double crochet. Now in that double crochet you need to work a front post double crochet. Now to do that you need to yarn over and you insert your hook in the post of the stitch like this. So you do not go in the stitch right here. You need to work in the post. So you go in like this and then you complete your double crochet. Now in the next stitch you work a single crochet. In the next stitch single crochet and you continue working one single crochet till you reach the corner chain space. Now right into that you need to work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now after you work your corner space, you work one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, one single crochet in the next stitch, and one single crochet in the next stitch. Now again you have your chain space here, and below that you have a double crochet that we skipped. You need to work a front post double crochet in this stitch like this. So you yarn over and you go in the stitch like this and yarn over and complete your double crochet. Now again in the next stitch, one single crochet, continue working your single crochet till the corner chain space, and in the chain space right in the corner you work 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And now you continue working this pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch in the first single crochet of this row. And now for the next row, you chain 1. You need to work one single crochet in each stitch of this row till you reach the corner 5 single crochets. Alright, now we reached the 5 single crochets. You work one single crochet in the first one, one single crochet in the second one, and in the third single crochet you work one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch. So in the third single crochet that you have in the corner stitch, you work one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch. And now you need to continue working one single crochet till you reach right up till here. In the third stitch we'll work that one more time. Okay, so I've reached right in the corner. So now I'll be working the third stitch, the third single crochet that is in the corner space. So right into that you work one single crochet, chain 1 and one single crochet in the same stitch, and you continue working one single crochet till you reach the next corner space. And now you need to continue working the same pattern till you reach the end of this row. After you complete your row, you need to join it with a slip stitch into the first single crochet, and now you chain 1 and cut your yarn. And now you need to work in your loose ends. We've completed working the bobble drop granny square. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.